What's up, traders, and welcome to another section of the Greatness Forex Academy. In this section, we are going to continue what we have started, which is Confluence 101. So in this section, I'm going to be talking about Confluence 101.2. I'm not going to be going back to all the confluences I taught you. I'm just going to be doing multi-time frame analysis, and I will be identifying the area which there is confluence for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the chart and see what we've got. I want to quickly apologize for the noise you can hear from the background. Yeah, I'm very sorry for that. There is no electricity supply, so I'm making use of the generator, and because I'm close to where the generator is, that is why you can hear this noise from here now. So I'll be as audible as I can so that you can hear me very well. Now, okay, let me quickly use Euro card, which I just added to my watch list. And if you are following me on Tradingview, you must have been notified. I just added Euro card to my watch list, and almost all the pairs here, let's say almost every pair here has hit our take profit. So this is a nice trading week. So let me talk about Confluence 101.1. Now you already know what Confluence is. It means two things agreeing in one. For example, we have Confluence from multi-time frame analysis, Confluence from structures, Confluence from tools, and Confluence from fundamentals, which are the hedge funds and so on. Now, looking at this chart, now this is the monthly time frame. What are you seeing? First, you can see an uptrend. Why did you see an uptrend? Because you can see an upward trend line from this area, and you know two touches make a trend line valid. One touch here, and the other touch here, which makes this trend line valid. So this is what an upward trend line. Now, this is an upward trend line. Now, which other confluence are we getting from here? Okay. Now, you can see this is a clear W formation from the monthly time frame. And after a W formation, you have to expect a retest to at least the neckline of the W formation, which is this area. So we are expecting the market to come down to this region. And also, if you check very well, there's a structure level here, which is this area. Key level, let me put it that way. There's a key level here, which is this area, which the market might get to before it gets to the neckline. Sometimes market respect the structure before the neckline, and this we are getting from the monthly time frame. So we shorted this pair 2-3 weeks ago, and we still want to short it now. So what are we looking at for? A short opportunity, because you can see the area rejecting it from here. This is the area rejecting it. Now let's go on the weekly time frame and see the confluence we are getting there. First, what are we working on now? We are working on the multi-time frame confluence. Now, the monthly, we have seen the area we are to set our target, take profit and everything. Now, this is the weekly time frame. Now, from the weekly, what are you seeing? This is the area we identified from the monthly that rejected it. And as you can see this week's here, all candles closed below this area. And we shorted it for 1 to 3, at least a 1 to 3 risk reward, and we took our take profit already. Now, why did we short it and take our take profit? Because of this structure. Remember, I told you when there's a WM formation, the market respects the structure before the neckline. As you can see, this is a structure that made us take our profit, and now we want to still short it again. Why? Because there's another structure the market is to get to. Because definitely, if this structure does not push it back up, it's going to break it. So we've gotten a confluence from multi-time frame monthly. Now we're on the weekly time frame. We are still seeing a short opportunity to this area. And as you can see, this is an uptrend, but because of the W formation, that is why we are shorting. Going on the daily time frame, which confluence are we getting here? Now, from the monthly time frame, we got a confluence for short to at least the neckline. Weekly, we are seeing the same thing. So on the daily time frame, which confluence are we getting? Now let's see which confluence we are getting on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame. And as you all know, our multi-time frame analysis are taken from the monthly, weekly, and daily. The 4-hour time frame is the time frame we make entry with. So on this daily time frame, this is the last time frame we are going to check our confluence, after which we will pinpoint the area we will wait to pinpoint our entry. So as you can see from the weekly, we got an opportunity to short. From the monthly also, and from the daily, we want to see if this opportunity is really a short. And we will only short this if it will give us a 1 to 3 risk to reward, a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now, what confluence are you seeing? I can see another trend line. This is a downward trend line. And what can you see here? This is a wedge. This is a wedge, and for this kind of wedge, you have to expect this kind of thing to the upside. This move to this area, and then an impulse. Now this is what we are to expect, but let's make use of price action using that mix we are predicting. Now let's make use of the present price action we are seeing. Now let me make use of another trend line here. Okay, what am I getting here? I want to make the flag visible so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is a flag, and what are you to expect? You have to expect something like this. If it will break below, here like this, retest this region, and the move to the downside, then you will short if it will give you a 1 to 3 risk reward. However, if we break to the upside, retest this same structure level, and move to the upside, then we are going to enter here very well with good risk to reward, and we're going to risk 1% of our account if it will break this structure and retest it because of this wedge, because the hedge funds are actually adding long opportunities here and closing some short opportunities. But as you can see, due to technical analysis, as you can see here now, you will take this short with 0.5% risk. So we are not going to be risking 1% because this is a risky trade. Because hedge funds, which are the fundamentals, which is the last Confluence we are adding, they are adding longs at this region. So the market might just break and start moving to the upside. Or however, if the market will break to the downside, then technically we are going to make use of Confluence like the Fibonacci retracement tool. We are going to make use of it and get our retracement area, which we are going to use to short this thing to at least this region for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. If it will give us what, a 1 to 3 risk to reward. But if it won't give us a 1 to 3 risk to reward, then we are going to wait for either the market to break this structure area or break this structure area. I believe the concept is clear very well, because everything you can see here are based on structures, multi-time frame analysis, and the tools which I showed to you from the first day I started making Confluence video, Confluence 101. As you can see, here is another structure area which you can see here. So the trend line is in alignment with the horizontal structure area, also with this, and here is our overall target. As you can see, this is a wedge formation and also a flag. So this is a pattern. Though we don't get Confluence from pattern. If not, I would have showed it to you. We get Confluence from structures, tool, multi-time frame analysis, and the fundamentals, which are the hedge funds or COT. Now soon our website will be ready for the COT, and whichever analysis I'm doing here, I will be making sure I add the Confluence of the hedge funds or the big banks to it, so that we can know the direction of their trade and follow them to make money. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so as to get notified each time I publish a new video, and also share to your friends and family, because we are offering free forex education here. Also, you can join our Telegram channel at t.me/greatnessfxtrading and gain access to free forex education for the beginners. The details will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Watch out for our next Confluence video. By then, this background noise will be off, and it will be a sound video, as we will be making use of other tools for Confluence. So thank you very much for watching. God bless.